YouTube, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this. This is going to be an Xbox Game Pass. This works for Xbox as well. I'm just on my computer. And this is going to give me a 6-month coupon code. And I'm going to show you guys how to get this. This is completely free. And this is going to be a subscription basically. You don't put your credit card down or anything like that. It's just a free 6-month coupon that you can basically save yourself $10 per month on the Xbox Game Pass and PC Game Pass. If you guys know Xbox just bought Activision, so you can play all the old CODs, and they'll be coming to this as well. So it's a really good deal right now, and why not get most of the 6-month coupon code that I'm going to show you guys how to actually get this. So let me show you guys how to get this, guys. It's going to be completely free. Let's go into the video. I'll show you right now. Alrighty guys, so back here showing you my face now, I'm going to show you actually how to run through and do this. Now what you're going to need to do to get the free Xbox Game Pass 6-month code is you're going to need a phone, so an iOS or Android. As you guys can see, I've put that actually on my screen right now, so I'm mirroring it on the screen so you guys can see. And I'm basically going to run through and get you this code. So what you want to do is head over to Safari or Google Chrome, whatever you can, whatever browser you want, whatever Android is. And you're going to go to google.com and you're going to type in there. So you know the song Bad MG? You're going to type in gcoupons.com. So I'm going to spell it out for you if you guys don't know. So it's spelled J-E-E and then type coupons. So C-O-U-P-O-N-S, gcoupons. And you're going to see gcoupons.com. So go ahead and click on this one. Okay. And it should load the G Coupons website right here. It says search below for any free coupon code. So they've got a range of coupon codes that'll work. And I've tried them out before. If you're not using G Coupons, you're literally losing out on hundreds of dollars if you're buying online. But they do have a promotion running for Xbox Game Pass. So we're going to type in Xbox. And you're going to see Xbox Game Pass free coupon code. Press see more. And this doesn't require a credit card, so you can just add this coupon code and get 6 months free. Now, you can do this. There are 1-month codes available as well. Depends if the website gets updated. If you're only seeing 1-month codes, that means they've only got 1-month codes. That means you're going to have to do this multiple times to get so you're going to have to do this process multiple times to get that. But just try a month and see if it works for you. So as you guys can see here, we got 1-month free code. So press show coupon, and you're going to see Xbox, and then it's going to have all these digits locked, okay? So what we're going to do is go ahead and actually unlock this code. I'm going to run you through that right now. So press unlock code, and what it should do is load this page right here, and it's going to say the Xbox Game Pass code unlocker. So basically it's going to say, hey, can you please go ahead and get these things in order to basically unlock your 1-month free code or 6 months code. It depends if they're available. But basically it says you need to go ahead and get 3 of these things to go ahead and get this. So you want to go from top to bottom and then get those. So as you guys can see here, we've got this Family Island one, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. Alrighty. And obviously these are all complete for free, guys. So yeah, this is a complete free method. Doesn't cost you anything, and it's going to save you, quite a bit of money. Because I think Xbox Game Pass is around $10 to $15 per month. This is going to save you basically. If you do this 12 times, you get a year, or if they've got the 6-month promotion running and you can do this twice, you get a year for free. And that would normally cost you $120. So don't think of it as a monthly, think of it as a yearly thing. It's going to cost you, So basically this is complete for free. What I'm trying to say. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, I'm just going through the list and basically going ahead and get some of these things out. They're going to have instructions here that says, like this one's TikTok, says go ahead and run it and open it. This one says Family Island, go ahead and complete level 8 to unlock it. So just make sure you guys are doing that. There's going to be different instructions for all the different apps. So make sure you guys, whatever you're doing, just make sure you are reading the instructions and completing whatever they say. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do all those instructions and wait for this to download. And I'm going to come back to you guys once I've completed this. So this Family Island one, like I said, it said get to level 8 or level 10, whatever it's asking me to do. I'm going to do that. So this one says open up TikTok. I'm going to open up TikTok, create an account. This one just says, open it up as well. So I'm going to come back to you guys. It might take me 10 minutes to do this, but I'm going to save $120 a year or $10 a month. So I'll come back to you guys. Alrighty guys, so I've just done that all. It's literally that easy. It took me like 10 minutes. Did the apps. Now what we're going to do is go back to Safari, and I'm going to go back to the tab button on your iPhone or in your tab. So the tab button. I'm sure you guys know how to do that. So you can open up a different tab. It might be different if you're on Google Chrome or whatever. and you're going to see the G coupons one now. And now that we've done all those three, it should now complete it. So if I go here, it's going to unlock the code just like that, guys. So it really is that easy. It doesn't take too long. That's going to be a 1 month free coupon code for the Xbox Game Pass you can redeem on your Microsoft account or whatever account you're using to sign in to Xbox Live. And this obviously works on PC and Xbox, guys. It's cross-platform. So really is that easy, guys. There's not many codes left. They're adding more all the time. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need any help, drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.